What do you think the future holds for the use of AGVs within manufacturing, and what does the factory floor of tomorrow look like?
Everything's becoming more and more integrated, and AGV can play a big role in that. Certainly, we're seeing the technology spin out. I mentioned earlier about lightweight, high volume manufacturing. You have big, heavy industrial manufacturing who want to achieve those benefits. AGVs can lend a big role in that. So if you've got an area of collection and you want to move your product through that, previously fixed infrastructure, it might have been a huge capital upfront investment, and you have to get so many production units out of that piece of equipment to get the payback. AGVs can grow. You can start small, you can add more into the fleet, you can double your takt time by putting the second one into a single operation. So they're a lot more flexible, more deployable. You can move them between sites. We speak to customers that will set up a production facility and then they might only be there for a year or two because they're moving into a bigger site. The AGV system can move with them. So there's lots of flexibility and modularity around the nature of an AGV style solution. MasterMover is a business, we're 25 years old, we have product installed all over the world, and as we have such a big existing fleet of products installed in customers all over the world, we know there's lots of conversations about how those products could be used in an automated way. So we're really enjoying the growth opportunity to go back to existing customers and talk about they've used a pedestrian operated product for so long, how can we help automate a process? An operator can add a lot of value driving around collecting parts in an area, but then if they're going to do a 150, 200 meter walk out to a production line, that's not value add. So if they can drive the machine around manually, press the button, it goes to the line, deliver its parts and comes back, the operators can stay in the right areas, reduce traffic on site, and there's huge benefits to that as well.